Hello, welcome back. Now it's time to see what we wanna achieve. So we wanna achieve this create product page. You see, we can create our product. Previously, we have created our product through Postman, but here's the real-time interaction through React. We want to create product, and it will be saved in our database. Okay. So we want to create product from here, and we want to create this form. And along with that we want to show our products in a tabular format. Okay, so for single product we'll do it later, but we are today we are creating the static page, not dynamic. Static create product and products. Okay, so for that what I have done, I have just created the create product. This is the merely HTML and tail end CSS, and just I have a user, nothing else, only user. Okay, so this is my section create product. I have nothing. Or what I need to do is to, this is the create product and this is the tabular format. Okay, so both files are static, not dynamic anything, but we will make make it dynamic. It will dynamically retrieve products from the database and show over here. Okay, and for that we need to attach two files in what app.tss. Okay, so route path, so route path element equal to so what we need create product, right? Create product. Yeah, create product, it will come from admin create product. So path will be admin create product, admin create product. Okay, so admin create product, it should have the finishing. Okay, create product, yes, admin create product through admin create product and admin products. Okay, so another thing we need path admin products. Okay, element equal to here we should be admin products. What's its name? You see, this product is admin product, maybe. Yeah, admin product. Admin product. So admin products, admin create product. You can see the path admin products, admin create products. So right now we can navigate, I think. So if we log in through admin privileges, okay, so we are getting create product, dashboard, admin create product, but nothing is there. Why? Create product. products. We are getting products, but not create product. Why? Dashboard admin create product. That's wrong. Oh, sorry, there is a typo. Create product, I think. Yeah, we are getting. So there is a typo. You need to careful about the typos. So we are creating product. So we will give name, price, stock, category, and choose file. So we'll create product, and we will get products in a tabular format, and both will come from the database. And this is the merely static page. For better understanding and better practice, I'm giving you the static page first. I will get it in the GitHub repository. So from the next tutorial, we will make it dynamic. What the input we will give here, it will be saved in the database. Okay. So see you in the next tutorial. Thank you very much. So now it's time to create the product creation functionality. So for that, what I have done, I have written some types like product types. We need for TypeScript support, we need product types, and there should be name, string, price, number, stock, category, photo, and ID string. Okay, and along with that, we need product API. Okay, product response, we need success and product. So product will come from types and all product response. Okay, so here is the API, product API. So product API is almost like a boilerplate. That's why I have written it. So it's almost like user API. It's almost like a boilerplate. A lot of similarity it has. So this is the latest product. This is the all products, product details, new product. So first of all, we will create with the new product, and for that we need message response. It will come from API types, message response. Okay, and new product and form data. Okay, we need form data. So our API is done, and now we need to go to the create product page. Okay, so in the create product page, what we need to do, we need to create some state. So const name set name equal to use state should be string, and initially we'll use empty string. Okay, const for creating product, what we need, we need category, set category, use state string, and initially empty. So if you have problem what the data we need or state we need, you can go to the Postman and see what the payloads we need. Okay, so category, const price, set price, use state, number, initially it will be on 1000. Okay, price by default on 1000. You can change it, no problem. According, you can give it according to your need. Stock, set stock equal to use state, It should be number, and initially it will be 1. Const photo preview. So it will give photo preview. Set photo prep. Use state string and initially empty. Const photo set photo use state should be file initially empty. So this is our state, and we should bring new product. Const new product. It's the name from, sorry, use new product mutation. Okay, can you remember? Use new product mutation for creating new product. Use new product mutation. Okay, so we are bringing that, and we need handle chains, and before that we need to retrieve the data from the form field. Okay, so first of all, name. So we need to have value equal to name, and on chains e set name e dot target dot value. So we need these things in every form field. Number, stock, price. Okay, so in the price e dot target dot value, this is called set price. It should be number because price is number, but it's getting as a string. That's it should be number, and we need to convert it in the number. Okay, so then we need a stock. Stock is also like number. We need to convert in number. Stock number. Then we need for category. Okay, for category we need e dot target dot value. We don't need number. There should be set, not set price, set stock. Set stock and set category. Set category. Okay, And we need photo preview here. So photo prep, and if it is there, then we need image tag. Okay, source photo prep, it have alter new image, and there should be a class name max width full MB4. This is the photo preview. So here, on change equal to, and change image handler, change event handler. Okay, so we need to create this function. So const change event handler equal to e. Okay, for TypeScript, what we need change event, change event HTML input element. Okay, and what we need const file for undefined. Don't worry, if you don't understand the code, I will give you explanation as previous. So e dot target dot files, and we need the first element. Okay, so why I am doing that, I am give you little bit explanation. Even though if you don't understand, I will give you full-blown explanation. Okay, get the first file from the input element. Okay, so this is the file. So const reader equal to file reader equal to new file reader. So what we have done over here, create a file reader instance. Okay, create a file reader instance. Then what we need, so if there is a file, then reader dot read as data URL. Okay, file reader dot on load end so what I did over here, read the file as a data URL. Okay, then when reading is done, so when reading is done, what we need, if it is type of, if type of reader dot result equal to string, then set photo preview reader dot result. Okay, set photo file. Okay, so what we done over here, ensure the result is a string base 64 URL, then set the preview URL, set the preview URL, set the file object, so this will create the image preview. Okay, so I will give you a full-blown explanation. If you don't understand, I will make you understand everything. Okay, don't worry. So another thing what we need const submit handler equal to async, we need e form event element, form event HTML form element, HTML form element. Okay, okay, so we need e prevent default, if the user don't provide name or price or stock less than 0, if its stock is less than 0, or no category or no photo, then it will return, it will not go ahead. Okay, so const form data equal to new form data, form data, it will append, it will append name, it would be at the append name, form data append it will append price to string. Okay, form data dot append stock for to string. We need to invoke the function stock to string. Form data dot append. I'm saving it as frequently I needed it. Photo as blob. So if you don't understand blob, I will make you understand all this. Then form data dot append. We need category. Category Okay, now it's time to create the form data. Const race equal to await new product form data. Okay, so if we get race, then we wanna give a toast notification success product created successfully. Okay, and we need to navigate. We are doing navigate a little later. So in the form field, what we need on submit, handle submit, on submit you can copy it, submit handler. So we are good to go and we are ready to save our first product. So let's create the product in the next tutorial. Thank you very much. Okay, before testing the product from front end, we need to have some little modifications. So if we have data in race, okay, so this is the in operator of JavaScript, and race.data, and then what we want to do, we want to toast dot success race.data.message. Okay, and we want to navigate dashboard admin products. So else const error to race dot error as base query error. If you don't have, you have to export it. So const message response equal to error dot data as message response. Post dot error message response dot message. So this modification and navigate will come from use navigate. Okay, navigate, you have to write down navigate, use navigate, and you have to bring this page base query from Redux toolkit query and message response from type. So I think we are good to go. Now we can create the product. So let's create the product. Dashboard product say Node.js. So its price is $67, stock as 19, category book, I don't have any book. Okay, let's download a book. So I'm saving in the desktop. Product image. So I hope this time we will get it. I have a lot of products. Okay, so create the product. Yeah, so product has been created and we are redirected to the dashboard admin and product space. So let's see product has been created or not. You see Node.js. Okay, and this is the image string. Okay, so let's go to the uploads. Let's see whether image is there or not. Uploads. So find the image based on our database. So it's on F5, on F5, on F5. You see, this is the product. Yeah. So it is uploaded and it's saving in the database, and it's redirecting also in our dashboard admin product space. So everything is working just fine. Now, see, if you don't understand, let me know, and from the next tutorial I will create I will bring all the products in the table format. Okay, so later we can edit our products or do anything. Okay, so in the tabular format we wanna see your product. Okay, thank you very much. Wait for the next tutorial. So in the previous video I have be able to created the product, but I have forgotten to say you something which I have done by myself in front of, not in front of you, and that is you have to change the value. Name, it should be name, it should be price, but in the video you will get everything is name. I have forgotten to change. It should be a stock, it should be category, And another thing I have done, not in the front of you, and that is in the store you have to create connect your API. So you have to connect this product API from product API, okay, and you have to connect middleware, product middleware. These two things I have done in absence of you. So if you are not connecting it, it will not work. So you may be frustrated. That's why I'm saying you in the front of the start of the video. So now it's time to create the show the all products in tabular format, right? So for that, what we need API. Can you remember we have the product API, we have all products to face all the products, and you can see in the Postman also. So that is the API product all products. So if you send, you will get all the products. So we will hit the route, okay. So for that, what we need, const data is loading e0 equal to, it will come from use all product query, okay. So as we have not used it already, so it's giving the error, no problem. So we need to handle something, okay. Handling loading and error state, okay. So if it's loading, return loading. There is a spelling mistake, return. Okay, so if there is error, if is error or no data or no data dot product products, then we wanna say return error loading products. So we need product const product. For type script we need product types, product, and equal to data dot products. So this will come from types, okay, as we have the type declaration. So now you can see console log the product, console.log. Okay, so we will get the product. So we can console log the product. So we are getting products. Now it's time to map through the products, okay. So for that, what we need products dot map product product for TypeScript, and we need two first bracket over here. So we should wrap these three brackets after this. So these sections, these total sections are within the map. Okay, so now what we need to do key, we need to key, otherwise it will give you ID error, like product dot underscore ID, and in the source it should be we need server. For product we need server, and we need product dot photo. And server should come from here. You should give server, so you should give server like that. Okay, so server, it will come, and product for especially we need byte server, and byte server, this server, this URL basically. So in the products, and here we need, so this will give you product. I think on is more over here. Okay, this will give you product, photo, sorry, photo, and here product dot name, product dot price, product dot stock, product dot category. Okay, so server, product, I think everything is all right. We'll get everything. Let's say gmail.com. Yeah, we get the product, and as a console log we are also getting the product. We get it. But remember one thing, for getting the product, you have to add online over here, otherwise it will not work. This is very important, don't forget it, otherwise it will not work. You have to add this line. So after adding this line, you have to do two things. One is you have to go to the backend and npm start, and after that you have to run npm was two command run. You can keep it over here, say, so you should come over here and run it npm run, and here npm run was. If you have any changes in the server, you have to run two command, otherwise it will not work. Npm run start. Okay, so remember these things. Okay, cd frontend, npm run dev. So you have to add this line, otherwise it will not work, and after that run npm run start and npm run was, otherwise you will not get the image. Okay, so I am getting the image from the uploads file. So it's redirecting, logging out will solve the issue. Okay, we're getting every products name, price, stock, category, and action. By this action we will go to the single product. So what we can now do, we can create the new product, and we can show our product, how many products we have. You can show it also, and get the individual detail, and from the next tutorial we will create single product and we will be able to update it. So remember these things. Admin create products. Removing the console log is no more needed. Okay, so I think we are done. Thank you very much. See you in the next. So in the previous video we have used a single line to show our product. So if you don't understand, I am showing you, and that is upload express. So what is exactly it is doing? So this line configures your server to correctly serve the static file from the specified directory, making images and other assets available in the front end. Without it, the server cannot handle requests to these static resources, leading to broken links and missing images. Adding this middle layer effectively makes your image files accessible, ensuring that your products are displayed with the associated images. Exactly, it means that if you want to show your image over here, you have to use this line. But we are facing some problems. You see, if we come to the Redux, so we are now getting the products. Okay, you see, this is the product in the Redux. Okay, and in the application you are getting this data. But if we refresh now, it logs out and our data will erased out or gone away. I am showing you. So if I refresh, you see we are locked out. So login is not persistent, and along with that our products are not here. You see, products are not here. But it's not wise, it's not a good practice. We need to but one thing, in our application token and users are here, so we can use it so as it is storing in the local storage, so we can take the advantage. If I refresh, it will not go away, it will persist, it will remain over there. So we can take the advantage of local storage, but from Redux we are missing the data, and login is not persistent. After refreshing, it locks me out, it locks the user out. So it's not wise, it's not the best practice. So for that we need some configuration, and that is we should come to the app.tsx, and here I can write some configuration. Okay, and what's the configuration? Const dspace equal to use dspace. So use dspace, so use dspace will come from React Redux. Okay, so we need to bring local storage data from local storage and Redux store. So const user string equal to local storage get item. Previously we used set item, now it's get item. get item, what's his name, auth. You see, I can show you, its name is auth. Its name is auth. Okay, its name is auth. So you should use this get this item auth from local storage, and then it will we are adding in the app.tsx file because first of all this page renders. That's why if I configure here, it will stay and login will be persistent. Okay, so const dot user equal to user string json dot parse use string or null. So use if auth is there in the local storage, if we get auth, use it, or otherwise null. Okay, so const, we can use another configuration if no page not found. Const page not found equal to div class name flex justify center items center page screen. Okay, and inside div what we need JSON. So JSON class name text for Excel font bold and 404 page not found. Okay, and we will use it a little bit later. So there is the finishing, and we need use effect, otherwise it will not work properly. Use effect will run when the page loads. Okay, if a user displays user exist, it will come from Redux store and it will be user else displays user not exist. Okay, so if user displays, it will user, otherwise user not exist. So it will run only if it has displays and user. And now it's time to use the page not found. So if any page not found, it will use the route. Okay, route path equal to, you should give a star sign. Okay. Okay, element equal to page not found. What is the wrong? Page not found cannot be used as JSX component. Route path element page not found. So page not found is giving error is because we have not used return over here. So we should wrap this inside return. Okay, return. So this time it will work. No error. So if I now go to the login will persist, and in the Redux our product will remain. Okay. So go to login.com. So we have the products, and in the Redux we have the product, or in the product API we have the product. All products, data, products. Okay, we have the products. So now if we refresh, products are still there. You see, products are still there, and as like previously, login is persisting. They are not log me out. Okay. So for this code, this is happening. For this code, we are and app.js tsx is because this is the main file of this React, and it loads first time on the page renders. Okay, so if we configure here, configure these things over here, we'll get login persistent, and along with that, if we refresh, we'll get the product also. But previously, products erased or product were missing. So you are getting the products, all products, data, products. Okay, this is the product and application. This is persistent also, and they are not redirecting. They are not locked us out. So this is very important. Again, I am refreshing. They are not forcing me to lock out. Okay. Thank you very much. If you have tough time to understand, let me know. I will make you understand. Even if needed, I will create a new understanding video. Okay. Thank you very much. If you don't shut out, if you don't say me or don't raise the question, I will not be able to understand or where is the problem you are facing. Okay, thank you very much. See you soon. So now it's time to create single product. So actually what we want to achieve, so we want to achieve this type of products, and the name, price, stock will be pre-populated, So if I go to the product, if I click on it, so you see gaming gear updated now. Excuse me. And you can update. Okay, you can update the product, delete the product, you can delete the product, image will be here, and main feature is the form field is up pre-populating. I mean, you see this is the gaming gear. So if I click another product, so this is Node.js. Okay, so we want to achieve this. So for that, for single product, we have created a file and its name is product, and I just give the static file, nothing else, no functionality over here, just a static file, I mean HTML and tailwind. So we are getting this ugly looking form, and along with that, in the product.js you have to, where is the table format product, okay, you have to link it to the single product. So single product means product.id. So whenever which product will be created, it will be navigate to the product. So product.name, product.price, product.stock, and this time product.id. Okay, so when you click on the single product, it will it will navigate to the respective product. Okay, so this functionality we want to achieve. So for that, what we have done in the product, we are linking to the single product.id, and in the product I have created the bare minimum HTML functionality, and along with that, in the app.tsx you have to add the single product route. Okay, single product, and then single product will come from pages admin.single product, not products, it product. Okay, so this will do. So from the next tutorial we are gonna create the single product functionality. So it has nothing, you see we don't id image, forms are empty, but it will be pre-populated. So if I click Node.js related item will be here. If I click electronic item related info will be here along with its image. So after that we can update or delete the product, change the image also. So wait for the next tutorial. We are gonna creating the single product functionality. Okay, thank you very much.